In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem a gift card on Wayfair. Whether you're treating yourself to some new furniture or splurging on a home decor item, redeeming a gift card can make the shopping experience even more delightful. First things first, open up your internet browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, whatever you're comfortable with. Then, head over to Wayfair's website by typing in www.wayfair.com in your browser's address bar and hitting enter. If you already have a Wayfair account, go ahead and sign in. If not, don't worry, creating an account is a breeze and will only take a couple of minutes. Now comes the fun part, shopping. Browse through Wayfair's extensive catalog from cozy sofas to elegant dining sets and add your desired items to your cart. Just click on the Add to Cart button next to each item you wish to purchase. Once you're done adding all your favorites to the cart, it's time to proceed to the checkout. Head to the top right corner of the page and click on the cart icon. That'll take you straight to your shopping cart where you can review everything you've picked out. Ready to move ahead? Click on the checkout button. On the checkout page, you'll find sections to enter your shipping details and choose your delivery options. Now here's where our gift card comes into play. Look for the payment section and you'll notice a field labeled gift card or promo code. This is where you'll enter the details of your gift card. If you have a physical gift card, you'll usually find the gift card number and PIN on the back. For eGift cards, this information should be in the email you received. Carefully type in the gift card number followed by the PIN in the designated fields. Double check to ensure everything's accurate. Misplaced digits might lead to an error. Once you've entered the gift card information, go ahead and click on the Apply button. If everything checks out, you'll see the gift card balance deducted from your total order amount. It's as simple as that. If your order total exceeds your gift card balance, you'll need to pay the remaining amount. You can use a credit card, debit card, PayPal, or even a Wayfair credit card to cover the difference. When you're ready, review your order details to make sure everything's correct. Finally, click on Place Order to complete your purchase. You'll receive an email confirmation shortly after your order has been processed. This email will contain all the necessary details about your order. If you have any remaining balance on your gift card post-purchase, don't worry, it updates automatically and you'll be able to use it for future orders. And there you have it. You've successfully redeemed a gift card on Wayfair. Happy shopping!